Welcome to this video on Ingress Protection, or IP ratings, for motors. This is a technical selection guide for engineering students on choosing motors for dust, moisture, and chemical environments. We will focus on environmental hardening, as defined by the IEC 60529 standard. The IEC 60529 standard provides a numerical scale to define the sealing effectiveness of electrical enclosures. This standard protects against foreign bodies and moisture. The Ingress Protection Code is a two-digit classification system. The first digit indicates protection against solids like dust and tools. The second digit indicates protection against liquid ingress, such as water splashes or submersion. The first digit defines solid protection. Levels 1 to 2 protect against large objects. Levels 3 to 4 protect against small tools and wires. Levels 5 to 6 cover dust management, with level 6 being completely dust-tight. The second digit defines liquid ingress protection. Levels 1 to 4 cover drips and splashes. Levels 5 to 6 protect against high-pressure water jets. Levels 7 to 9K cover extreme ingress, including submersion and high-temp, high-pressure jets. Comparing environmental capability, IP54 is typical for light indoor dust. IP55 is standard industrial use. IP66 is necessary for heavy outdoor use or washdown, while IP69K is required for steam and sterilization applications. Dust ingress, common in industries like cement or mining, can lead to thermal runaway and motor failure. An IP6X rating with specific V-ring seals is the solution to prevent ingress and contamination of bearing grease. For high-pressure washdown in food and pharmaceutical industries, IP69K is the gold standard. It is tested with 80 degrees Celsius water at 8 to 10 megapascals. Ordinary motors will fail due to thermal shock, which sucks moisture past the seals. IP ratings define physical ingress, but not chemical compatibility. Corrosive agents require additional measures like epoxy coatings, Viton seals, and 316 stainless steel hardware. Selecting the right motor depends on the environment. Indoor warehouses typically need IP54, IP55. Outdoor construction requires IP65, IP66. Food processing demands IP69K, and marine submerged applications require IP68. Proper IP selection directly impacts the mean time between failures of a system. The seal lifecycle involves correct installation, monitoring for wear, managing degradation from UV, and mandatory replacement during overhaul. In summary, overspecifying IP ratings increases cost and thermal management complexity. Conversely, underspecifying leads to catastrophic system failure. Selecting the correct IP rating is critical for reliability.